Welcome to the For Science Salah Lotfy channel. In today's episode we will discuss an important topic related to the production of Karish cheese, one of the most consumed foods, especially in rural areas. But did you know that this cheese can be a source of a dangerous infection that affects humans? Karish cheese, despite its high nutritional value, is often made under unhygienic conditions using raw milk that may contain harmful bacteria like Brucella, which causes brucellosis or Malta fever. This infection can easily spread to humans, leading to serious health issues such as fever and chronic inflammation. In a recent study, researchers introduced a simple yet effective solution to control this infection. They used natural organic acids like acetic acid and citric acid in the production of Karish cheese. The results were highly promising, showing that using 1.5% acetic acid or 2% citric acid can completely eliminate or significantly reduce Brucella bacteria, making the cheese safe for consumption. The benefit of this research is clear, improving the quality of Karish cheese and reducing the risk of brucellosis outbreaks. This could greatly enhance public health, especially in rural areas that rely heavily on this product. Stay tuned, we'll dive into the details of this groundbreaking research and how these solutions can be applied on a larger scale. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the For Science Salah Lotfy channel for more updates.
Hey cheese lovers! Welcome back to For Science Salah Lotfy channel. Today I'm super excited to share some fascinating research that's all about making your favorite Karish cheese even safer to enjoy. So, what's the deal with Karish cheese and safety? Well, the study we're diving into today is titled Control of Brucella Organisms During Manufacturing of Acid Cheese, Using Some Organic Acids. Quite a mouthful, right? But stay with me. It's worth it. This research was carried out by Khaled El-Khawas from the Food Hygiene Department at the Animal Health Research Institute, and Essam Elbauomy, chief researcher in the Brucella department. These experts wanted to tackle a big issue, the risk of brucellosis in Karish cheese. For those who might not know, brucellosis is a bacterial infection that can be transmitted through dairy products like cheese. It's pretty serious, causing symptoms like fever, joint pain, and fatigue. Not something you want to deal with. Now onto the research. Published in the Assiut Veterinary Medical Journal back in October 2015, this study aimed to find a natural way to control Brucella organisms during the cheese-making process. And guess what? They found that certain organic acids could be the key. These acids, which are naturally found in foods, were tested for their effectiveness in reducing Brucella contamination in Karish cheese. The results were promising. The use of these acids significantly decreased the presence of Brucella, making the cheese much safer for us to enjoy. So, what does this mean for you, the cheese lover? It means you can savor your Karish cheese with a bit more peace of mind, knowing that these natural acids are doing their job to keep you safe. This research not only highlights the importance of food safety, but also shows how natural solutions can be incredibly effective. It's a win-win for cheese enthusiasts everywhere. Thanks for tuning in to today's episode. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more science-backed insights into your favorite foods.
Karish cheese is a beloved staple in many cultures, cherished for its unique taste and versatility. It is a fresh, fermented cheese with a tangy flavor that delights the palate. People enjoy its creamy texture, often pairing it with bread, fruits, or even using it in various recipes. Unfortunately, Karish cheese production faces a significant challenge that threatens its very existence. This challenge is contamination with Brucella bacteria. Brucella can cause brucellosis, a serious infectious disease. Brucellosis is a debilitating disease in humans, leading to severe health complications. It leads to fever, joint pain, and fatigue, significantly impacting the quality of life. If left untreated, brucellosis can even be fatal, making it a grave concern for public health. This risk makes food safety a major concern for Karish cheese producers and consumers alike. Finding ways to control Brucella is crucial to ensure the safety of this cherished cheese. By implementing stringent hygiene practices and regular testing, producers can safeguard both the availability and safety of this valued cheese. Communities that rely on Karish cheese for their livelihood are working tirelessly to overcome these challenges. Educational initiatives and workshops are being conducted to inform farmers and producers about best practices in cheese production. Government agencies are also stepping in, enforcing regulations and providing support to ensure that Karish cheese remains a safe and beloved delicacy. With collective efforts, we can continue to enjoy the rich, creamy taste of Karish cheese without compromising our health. The future of Karish cheese depends on our commitment to food safety and the dedication of those who produce it. Let us cherish and protect this delicacy, ensuring it remains a part of our culinary heritage for generations to come. Brucella bacteria are sneaky. They can lurk undetected in milk. This milk often comes from goats and sheep. These animals are common sources of milk for Karish cheese. The traditional production methods can worsen the problem. Karish cheese relies on fermentation. This process creates an environment where Brucella can thrive. The warm temperatures and lack of pasteurization create ideal conditions for bacterial growth. This situation highlights the need for interventions. We need solutions that target Brucella specifically. These solutions must be effective during the cheese-making process. Scientists have turned to natural solutions. They are exploring the power of organic acids. Organic acids are found in many foods. Think of lemons, vinegar, and yogurt. These acids have antimicrobial properties. This means they can inhibit the growth of bacteria like Brucella. Two particular organic acids show promise: acetic acid and citric acid. Acetic acid is found in vinegar. Citric acid is in citrus fruits. They are both safe for consumption. This makes them attractive alternatives to harsh chemical treatments. Researchers have been studying acetic and citric acids. They want to see how well they control Brucella in Karish cheese. The studies involve adding these acids to the cheese milk. This happens before fermentation. The goal is to reduce the number of Brucella bacteria. Lowering the bacterial load makes the cheese safer for consumption. The hope is to do this without affecting the unique taste and texture of Karish cheese. Early findings suggest that these acids can be highly effective. They can significantly reduce Brucella levels. This opens up exciting possibilities for safer Karish production. The science speaks effectiveness confirmed. The research on acetic and citric acids is promising. Studies show that these organic acids can effectively combat Brucella in Karish cheese. One study found that adding a small amount of acetic acid to the cheese milk significantly reduced Brucella levels. The reduction was significant enough to meet safety standards. Another study had similar results with citric acid. It effectively inhibited the growth of Brucella during the cheese-making process. These findings provide scientific backing for using organic acids. They are a natural and effective way to make Karish cheese safer. A matter of taste preserving quality and flavor. When it comes to cheese, especially varieties like Karish, maintaining the integrity of its taste and aroma is paramount. One concern about using any additive in food production is the potential impact on taste. Cheesemakers and consumers alike worry that additives might alter the beloved flavors of traditional cheeses. Would adding acetic or citric acid change the flavor profile of Karish cheese? This question has been at the forefront of many discussions among dairy experts and food scientists. Fortunately, the research suggests otherwise. Extensive studies have been conducted to ensure that these additives do not compromise the quality of the cheese. Studies have evaluated the sensory properties of Karish cheese treated with these organic acids. These evaluations are thorough, involving both scientific analysis and sensory testing by panels of experts. They found that the additions did not negatively affect the taste or aroma. In fact, the sensory tests revealed that the natural flavors of the cheese were preserved. In some cases, the acids even enhanced the sensory experience. The texture remained creamy and smooth, while the flavor profile became more complex and enjoyable. They contributed to a more desirable tangy flavor. This tanginess was appreciated by many, adding a new dimension to the cheese without overpowering its original taste. This is good news for consumers and producers. For consumers, it means they can enjoy their favorite cheese with the added assurance of safety. For producers, it means they can continue to innovate without sacrificing quality. It means that safety doesn't have to come at the cost of flavor. The harmonious blend of tradition and innovation ensures that Karish cheese remains a beloved choice for cheese enthusiasts everywhere. Safe cheese, healthy people, a public health triumph. The implications of this research extend far beyond the cheesemaking industry. Controlling Brucella in Karyesh cheese directly impacts public health. Brucellosis is a serious concern. It can lead to significant health complications. In some regions, it is a major public health challenge. By reducing the incidence of Brucella contamination in Karyesh cheese, we can directly reduce the number of brucellosis cases. This translates to a healthier population and a reduced burden on healthcare systems. Beyond the petri dish economic and social impacts, the benefits of safer Karyesh cheese extend beyond public health. They have economic and social implications as well. For small-scale farmers and producers, the ability to guarantee the safety of their products is crucial. It opens up access to larger markets. This leads to increased income and economic stability. Furthermore, the cultural significance of Karyesh cheese cannot be overlooked. It is a food intrinsically linked to tradition and heritage. Ensuring its safety ensures the continuation of these traditions for future generations. Challenges and opportunities, refining the solution. While the research on organic acids is promising, challenges and opportunities remain. One challenge is standardizing the use of these acids in cheesemaking. Different production methods and variations in milk quality can affect the effectiveness of the treatment. Further research is needed to develop clear guidelines for producers. Additionally, exploring other natural antimicrobial agents could lead to even more effective and sustainable solutions in the future. A future free from brucellosis, a shared vision. The ultimate goal is a future where brucellosis is no longer a threat. This requires a multifaceted approach. Improving hygiene practices in dairy farms is essential. So is raising awareness among cheese producers about the risks of Brucella contamination. Consumer education is also crucial. Consumers need to understand the importance of buying cheese from reputable sources. By working together, we can create a safer food system that benefits everyone. Conclusion: a toast to safer Karyesh. The research on using organic acids like acetic and citric acid to control Brucella in Karyesh cheese is a beacon of hope. These acids, which are naturally found in many fruits and vegetables, have shown promising results in eliminating harmful bacteria without affecting the cheese's taste or texture. This innovative approach is not only effective, but also aligns with the growing consumer demand for natural and organic food preservation methods. It demonstrates that we can harness the power of nature to address food safety challenges. By integrating these organic acids into the cheese-making process, we are able to maintain the traditional methods that have been passed down through generations while ensuring the product is safe for consumption. This blend of tradition and modern science is a testament to the potential of sustainable food production. These natural solutions offer a way to produce safer Karyesh cheese without compromising its unique flavor and cultural significance. Karyesh cheese, known for its rich history and distinctive taste, remains a beloved staple in many households. The use of organic acids ensures that this cherished food can continue to be enjoyed by future generations, preserving its cultural heritage. This is a win for producers, consumers, and public health. Producers benefit from a reliable method to ensure the safety of their products. Consumers gain confidence in the quality and safety of the cheese they purchase, and public health is safeguarded through the reduction of foodborne illnesses. This holistic approach to food safety exemplifies the positive impact that scientific advancements can have on everyday life. As we continue to explore and refine these natural solutions, we move closer to a future where everyone can enjoy the deliciousness of Karyesh cheese without the worry of brucellosis. Ongoing research and collaboration between scientists, farmers, and cheese producers are crucial in this journey. Together, we can ensure that Karyesh cheese remains a safe and delightful part of our culinary traditions, bringing joy and nourishment to tables around the world. Karyesh cheese, a beloved staple in many cultures, is a fermented dairy product enjoyed for its unique flavor and texture. Made from cow's milk, this traditional cheese undergoes a natural fermentation process that gives it its characteristic tangy taste. However, like many traditional food products, Karyesh cheese production methods often lack modern safety measures. This can lead to the presence of harmful bacteria, posing a risk to consumers. To address this concern, researchers are exploring natural antimicrobial treatments to enhance the safety and quality of Karyesh cheese. foodborne illnesses are a serious public health concern worldwide. Raw milk cheeses like Karish are particularly susceptible to contamination due to the nature of their production. Harmful bacteria, if not controlled, can multiply during the fermentation and ripening processes, potentially causing illness in consumers. To mitigate this risk, effective antimicrobial strategies are crucial. Traditional methods often rely on salt and fermentation conditions to control bacterial growth. However, these methods may not always be sufficient to eliminate all harmful bacteria, highlighting the need for additional safety measures. Organic acids, naturally occurring compounds found in various fruits and vegetables, have shown promise as natural antimicrobial agents in food preservation. These compounds are not only abundant in nature, but also play a crucial role in maintaining the safety and quality of our food supply. These acids, including acetic acid, found in vinegar, and citric acid, found in citrus fruits, can effectively inhibit the growth of a wide range of bacteria. By targeting harmful microorganisms, they help extend the shelf life of food products, reducing waste and ensuring that food remains safe to eat for longer periods. They achieve this by lowering the pH of the food matrix, creating an acidic environment that is unfavorable for bacterial survival and proliferation. This acidic environment disrupts the metabolic processes of bacteria, making it difficult for them to thrive and multiply. Unlike synthetic preservatives, organic acids are generally considered safe for consumption and can contribute to the overall flavor profile of food products. Their natural origin and multifunctional benefits make them an attractive option for both food manufacturers and consumers who are increasingly seeking clean label products. By incorporating organic acids into food preservation strategies, we can harness the power of nature to keep our food fresh, safe, and delicious. In the quest for safer Karish cheese, researchers have turned to acetic and citric acids as potential antimicrobial allies. These organic acids, known for their potent antibacterial properties, have been tested for their effectiveness in controlling bacterial growth in Karish cheese. Studies have shown that both acetic and citric acids can significantly reduce the levels of harmful bacteria in Karish cheese without negatively impacting its sensory qualities. This makes them promising candidates for improving the safety of this traditional delicacy. Section 5. Sensory Evaluation. Taste the difference. While ensuring safety is paramount, preserving the unique sensory characteristics of Karish cheese is equally important. After all, what good is a safe cheese if it doesn't taste good? To assess the impact of acetic and citric acid treatments on the cheese's sensory attributes, researchers conducted sensory evaluations. Trained panelists evaluated the treated cheese samples for various parameters, including appearance, aroma, texture, and taste. Their feedback provided valuable insights into how the organic acid treatments affected the overall sensory experience of Karish cheese. Section 6. Preferred treatments. A matter of taste. The sensory evaluation revealed that Karish cheese treated with specific concentrations of acetic and citric acids was well received by the panelists. These treatments effectively controlled bacterial growth without compromising the cheese's desired sensory qualities. In fact, some panelists noted that the organic acid treatments enhanced the cheese's flavor, making it even more enjoyable. These findings suggest that carefully selected concentrations of acetic and citric acids can improve both the safety and the sensory appeal of Karish cheese. Section 7. Bacteriological impact: winning the microbial war. Beyond sensory evaluation, researchers delved into the bacteriological impact of acetic and citric acid treatments on Karish cheese. They meticulously analyzed treated cheese samples to determine the effectiveness of these organic acids in reducing bacterial loads. The results were impressive. Acetic and citric acid treatments significantly reduced the number of harmful bacteria in the cheese, including those responsible for common foodborne illnesses. This demonstrated their potent antimicrobial activity and their potential to improve the safety of Karish cheese. Section 8. Brucella, a formidable foe. Among the harmful bacteria found in dairy products, Brucella species pose a significant threat to human health. These bacteria are not only resilient but also highly adaptable, making them a persistent challenge for food safety experts. These bacteria can cause brucellosis, a debilitating disease with flu-like symptoms that can become chronic if left untreated. Symptoms can range from fever, sweats, and fatigue to more severe complications like arthritis and endocarditis, making early detection and treatment crucial. Controlling Brucella in dairy products is crucial for ensuring consumer safety. Rigorous testing and quality control measures are essential to prevent contamination and protect public health. The study on Karish cheese revealed that both acetic and citric acid treatments were highly effective in inhibiting the growth of Brucella strains. These organic acids disrupt the bacteria's cell walls, rendering them inactive and unable to reproduce. This finding is particularly significant as it highlights the potential of these organic acids to combat this specific and potentially dangerous bacterial contaminant. The implications of this research extend beyond Karish cheese, offering a promising solution for enhancing the safety of various dairy products and potentially other food items as well. Section 9. pH Power: How Acidity Saves the Day. The antimicrobial prowess of acetic and citric acids lies in their ability to lower the pH of the cheese matrix. pH, a measure of acidity or alkalinity, plays a crucial role in bacterial growth. Most bacteria thrive in a neutral pH environment, which is around 7. By lowering the pH, acetic and citric acids create an acidic environment that is unfavorable for bacterial survival. This acidic environment disrupts essential bacterial processes, ultimately inhibiting their growth and reducing their numbers in the cheese. Section 10. Practical Implications: From Farm to Fork. The study's findings have significant practical implications for Karish cheese production and, ultimately, consumer safety. By incorporating carefully controlled treatments of acetic and citric acids into the cheese-making process, producers can effectively enhance the safety of their products without compromising taste or texture. This natural approach to food preservation aligns with consumer demand for safer, less processed foods. Moreover, these organic acids are readily available and cost-effective, making them a viable option for both small-scale and industrial cheese producers. Section 11. Conclusion: A safer, tastier Karish. In conclusion, the use of acetic and citric acids as natural antimicrobial agents holds great promise for improving the safety and quality of Karish cheese. These acids, derived from natural sources, are not only effective, but also align with the growing consumer demand for clean label products. These organic acids effectively inhibit the growth of harmful bacteria, including Brucella species, without negatively impacting the cheese's sensory characteristics. This means that the rich, tangy flavor and creamy texture of Karish cheese are preserved, ensuring that consumers can enjoy the traditional taste they love. Their ability to lower pH and create an unfavorable environment for bacterial growth makes them a valuable tool in the fight against foodborne illnesses. By reducing the pH, these acids create conditions that are hostile to pathogens, thereby extending the shelf life of the cheese and reducing the risk of contamination. By embracing these natural preservatives, we can ensure that Karish cheese remains a safe and delicious part of our culinary heritage for generations to come. This approach not only enhances food safety, but also supports sustainable practices in cheese production. As we look to the future, the integration of natural antimicrobial agents like acetic and citric acids will play a crucial role in maintaining the integrity and enjoyment of Karish cheese, allowing it to be a cherished staple in our diet.
Welcome to the For Science Salah Lotfy channel, where we explore impactful scientific research that contributes to the betterment of our communities. Today, we are diving into a significant study titled Control of Brucella Organisms During Manufacturing of Acid Cheese Using Some Organic Acids. This research focuses on food safety, particularly in preventing the transmission of harmful bacteria like Brucella during cheese production. The study investigates how various organic acids can be used to control Brucella contamination during the manufacturing process of acid cheese, an important food product in many parts of the world. By addressing this critical issue, the research offers potential improvements to both public health and food industry practices. This valuable research was conducted by two distinguished scientists, Khaled El-Khawas from the Food Hygiene Department at the Animal Health Research Institute, Agriculture Research Center in Doki, Giza, Egypt. Essam Elbauomy, the chief researcher in the Brucella Department, also at the Animal Health Research Institute, Agriculture Research Center, Doki, Giza, Egypt. The research was published in the Assiut Veterinary Medical Journal, Volume 61, Number 147, in October 2015. They received the manuscript on the 8th of August, 2015, and accepted it on the 13th of September 2015. On behalf of the For Science Salah Lotfy channel, we extend our sincere gratitude to the researchers for their incredible effort and dedication to such an important topic that benefits both the scientific community and society as a whole. Stay tuned for more insightful discussions on groundbreaking scientific research. Thank you for watching.